coffee beans have been part of human culture for over 1,500 years. The journey of espresso machine can be traced back to Italy in the late 19th century. Over the past century, innovations in electronics and mechanics have transformed coffee machines into fully automated and intelligent. Today, it's easier than ever to enjoy a cup of freshly brewed bean-to-cup coffee with rich crema in just seconds. In the age of globalization, Chinese coffee machine brands have been widely recognized for their craftsmanship and innovative spirit. Since its founding in 2010, Kalerm has been dedicated to the mission of creating the greatest degree of pleasure and good coffee experience for its customers, which is aligned with that of its customers and partners. Kalerm coffee machines can now be found in cities, hotels, coffee chains, offices, and homes around the world, allowing more people to savor the rich flavors extracted by these machines. For commercial customers, especially those in coffee chains and convenience stores, efficiency and stability are paramount. During peak hours, these machines face the challenge of processing a high volume of orders per hour. So its reliability directly impacts operational efficiency and customer satisfaction.
咖啡机最主要的是研磨系统，它就像咖啡机的心脏，是咖啡机的最主要的核心系统。我们自主开发的研磨系统使用进口的金属刀盘，使得咖啡粉的研磨平均粒径低于350 μ，X 系列的研磨效率高达 2.5 克每秒。我们需要一款同时满足3种性能的润滑脂：一、抗耐磨，延长零部件的使用寿命，提升研磨系统的稳定性；二、减少研磨时后产生的噪音；三、润滑脂必须是食品级润滑脂，满足食品安全的要求。
克虏伯在咖啡机行业应用的产品具有良好的抗磨损性能，极好的载荷承载能力，以及对摩擦副表面的良好的粘附性，确保设备高效长寿命的工作。最关键的是，该产品不仅具有 NSF 食品级配方的认证，它的整个生产过程和储存过程也都是符合食品行业 ISO 21469相关的认证标准，满足消费者对食品安全越来越高的要求和期望。
Klüber Lubrication is a leading lubricant and solution provider located in Munich, Germany. We are successfully developing specialty lubricants since many years for coffee machines and its lube points, fulfilling the high requirements of leading coffee machine brands. Requirements and regulations are in our scope, not only regarding food safety or drinking water approvals, but also regarding material compatibility. Our R&D competency and innovations are key to us, to have you a long-lasting coffee experience.
Today, Kalerm, with over 400 patents, has expanded from China to all corners of the globe. Its products are available in more than 100 countries, with total shipments surpassing 500,000 units. Klüber supports Kalerm with a century of lubrication expertise. Innovative coffee machine, elevating life's routines.